Well, hello there, everybody. I'm John Marshall, and on this episode of the YouTube Taste Test Review, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew Liberty Brew. 50 flavors, representing 50 states. And that starts right now. Well, hello friends, we've come to another taste test, and today is even scarier than the last one. Not really a Mountain Dew fan myself, but I kind of tolerate the original flavor. I could take it or leave it, but I don't know. 50 flavors. What kind of flavors?
Stop it!
Yeah. Could be good flavors, and it could be bad flavors. Who knows? So, here we go. Taste test contains of sound, for freshness, smell, and taste. Here we go. Not really much of a fizz on that one. I was expecting more of a pop. That's really like a potpourri. There's so many different flavors in there. Yeah, that's what I would say. It smells like potpourri. Wow. Kind of scared about this one. Here we go. $50 flavors. Okay. Overall, I mean, it's not too bad. It's really kind of fruity and just a potpourri of different assortments. I couldn't tell you what one of the flavors is, nonetheless, 50 of them. Can't tell the difference between what they are, but I don't even think I can define one of them. You got me. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would have to say I would give it a 6. I just think there's too much going on there. It's really, I couldn't tell you or pinpoint one single flavor. Let me know what you think. If you're a first-time viewer, please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications of upcoming shows. I'm John Marshall, and this was a YouTube Taste Test Review. Thanks for joining us.